Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to wrap about the function in here. That means we need to wrap about the bounds. So we have the s, so that means s is greater than or equal to the square root of y and smaller than or equal to number 2. And we know that about this one, if we put the square for the both sides, we will have about y equals to s squared. So we need to wrap about y equals to s squared. The wrap should be like this. And s is smaller than or equal to number 2. So that should be in here. Now let's go to dy. dy they start from 0 to number 4. So when we put about number 2 go in here, we have y equal to number 4. So this is about this intersection between s equal to number 2 and y equal to number 4. So the region we need to consider about this one, that should be about this area in here. So in this situation, we need to change about dx dy into dy dx. Now we have y equal to s squared. Here is about y in here. So if we look on this way, we can see that y should belong in here. Y is greater than number 0. This is about s axis. And y is smaller than s squared. That's about the curve in here. So for this one, we will have about the integral from 0 and s squared. The next one, that's about the s. The s should be from here. We see that they start from 0 and they stop at number 2. So the integral of this one, we start from 0 to number 2. And now we put the function go in here. And now we need to calculate about this one. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. And we put the bounds from 0 to s squared. So I will put this one go in here. And cosine s to the power of 5, I will write in here. So I will put s squared gone here, number 0 gone here. So s squared with the power 2, you got about s to the power of 4. Number 0 squared, you got about 0 over number 2. If we simplify this one, we will have about 1 over 2. The integration from 0 to number 2, s to the power of 4 cosine of s to the power of 5 dx. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 5. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to 5s to the power of 4 dx. Because we don't have number 5 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. Next, we need to change the powers. So when s equal to number 0 in here, so I will put number 0 on here to find the value of u, and u equal to number 0. When s equal to number 2, we have number 2 from here. So I will put number 2 on here to find the value of u, and u should be equals to 32. And now number 0 we keep number 0, number 2 we change by 32. 1 over 2 I put in here. S to the power over of 5 we change by u. S to the power of 4 with dx we will change into 1 over 5 du. One over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2, we have 1 over 10. The integration of cosine u, we will have about sine u. And we put the bound from 0 to 32. And now we have the final answer. Sine of 0 you got about 0, so we just have only 1 over 10. Sine of 32. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.